success factors, and hard lessons from the field. Let's wrap up these new stories with 5 practical lessons every aspiring CAIO should carry forward. Start with stakeholder listening. You earn trust by listening first. Julia in pharma, the auto CAIO, the insurance CAIO, they all made listening a core discipline. 2. Translate AI into what's in it for me. Every pilot must solve a pain point. If it doesn't, the business won't care, no matter how shiny the tech. Make ethics and governance visible. Don't just say you care about bias and fairness. Show your governance board, audit reports, and invite feedback. 4. Pilot fast. Scale what works. Don't chase perfection in the lab. Prove value in the wild. Learn from setbacks. Then scale with confidence. 5. Keep learning. Keep teaching. A CAIO's journey is never finished. Mentor your teams, join industry groups, and always stay curious. You're not just building AI. You're building trust, credibility, and a culture that can thrive on change.